In this video, I'm going to talk about the smart hedging board. Yes, guys, we have finally launched the smart hedging board, which works as the hedging, and then it is semi-martingale. Okay, so this is the account. So basically, this robot works on of cent and dollar account. It has a different settings. Okay, so these are the recommended pairs that you can see on the screen, like Euro USD, AUD USD, Pound USD, Great Britain Pound, JPY, Euro, Great Britain Pound, and AUD USD. Okay guys, I am using it in an aggressive mode because I am using the 15-minute picture. So if you want to use the safe mode, you can also use it on 30 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, so I'm just using it and we have launched it today. So these are the results that because this account is just started with today. Previously our testing results were very good, and then we decided to go with the accounts, and I will share these accounts in the description of this video below. The investor password is available in the description of this video below, so you can see that how it is working on a cent account and on a dollar account. So guys, you can see that the first lot on a cent account that is opened with 0.20, because in the setting, if we go inside the inputs, then I have set it the fixed lot to 0.20. So that's why the first trade is starting with 0.20 on a cent account, and you can see how aggressive. It's not an aggressive report. You can see 0.34 is the highest lot that it has taken today, and that was okay. So this was the highest lot, and you can see the rest of the trades simply with 0.20, and you can see the profit that it has added today is 605.28, which you can convert into the cents. Okay, so this is all about this robot on a cent account. So using the 15-minute, and you can see the take profit is here, and it is also using some sort of stop loss as well. But normally when we go into the trending markets, then it will use the martingale as well. So overall, this is very safe. I mean, you can, if you want to use it on a cent account, then you can definitely use it. Like for example, if you talk about my floating right now, this is almost up to $7 right now, and you can see the highest lot that is running is I think 0.34, and it's running on Euro USD and AUD USD. Okay, and AUD CHF, right? Okay, so you can see very easy. Nothing is going to, I don't think so that this is going to blow your account, because it is running very safe, right? Okay, so guys, let me tell you, we are offering the lifetime copy for the first 10 customers on the on a discounted basis, and we have already given the one copy. So guys, if you want to book the right now, the 9 slots are left. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime copy, you can contact on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact on Telegram and WhatsApp. Okay, so all of the links are given in the description of this video. So this is what we have discussed as per the cent account. Now let's move to the dollar account. Okay, so if we go to the dollar account, first of all, you can see that the floating is going just $33 at the moment. Okay, so the same pairs that is added here, you can see. Okay, so nothing special. And if you look at the history that it is started from today, so you can see that what is the lot size highest it has used. So you can see 0.0111, 0.02, 0.02. Okay, so this, I'm telling you, this is not aggressive like the other expert advisors into the market. Look, 0.03, 0.05, and that's fine. Again, back to 0.01, 0.02. Okay, so you can see overall what it has added you just with 0.01, 0.02, and one trade with 0.05. It has the capacity to add $81 in your trading account. And guys, this is the live this is the real picture, because I'm not showing you anything fake, and you can see that this is the account that is running $33.44 into the floating loss. And already what it has earned $81.48 at the moment. So guys, the name of this report is Smart Hedging Board, and we have finally launched it. And you can see that when we move our cursor over here, then it is telling you that this trade is closed by Smart Hedging Board. Okay, so I will keep you updated with the results. Overall, a perfect result that we have seen, that that it has added $81.48 on the dollar account. And if we go to the cent account, then you can see it has added already $6 on a cent account. Okay, so guys, this is very safe. I mean, this is very good. I think so. This is just like a money making machine. So guys, the rest is your choice. I mean, if you believe that the robot is good for you, then you can contact for the lifetime licenses, and for on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.